Hello everyone, it's Amy and welcome back to my channel. I am back to show you the finished product of the Never-Ending Book. So I just finished doing a little bit of decorating. Most of it you saw as we went through. But here we have our little scrap monster. And you can write on the back of him, and then he's just in this little pocket. I don't believe that opens. No, it does not. So, and then I do have this flip up here, which you can flip it up and write on, with this little scrapbook, which is just some different little papers that you can write on, put pictures on, do whatever you'd like to do, with a couple little cute butterfly dangles in the middle. And I have that. I went around the butterflies with the gold. And then on this side it says grateful with the little butterfly here and here that are also just edged in the gold. And then on this page I put these on. I went around with the gold paint pen because the regular gold pen didn't show up well enough, so I wanted the thicker gold on there. And this one says the grass is always greener at home. So I just like you like just a center decorative page. So on the side with the little bird, I did, these are just journaling cards, so I didn't have to put anything on the back. I did put some gold around the edges there. So that's just there for that belly band. On here, I found these flowers to put here, and these were the flowers that were in the pots that I said, I don't know if I'll ever use the ones with the pots, but I thought that looked really cute because it looks like it's sitting right here on the ledge. And then I did also just color that with some gold and put gold around the edges of this card. And then here we have our little bird, and on this side we just have a journaling card. I put a little gold up in the corner here just because it was so plain. And this one also has the writing spot. And then on the next page, we've got the Believe in Your Dreams with the journaling card here with the pretty butterfly stencils underneath. This has some of my green painty papers. And then this is also a writing spot. And then here we have our tags. I did decide to put just a little bit of ribbon at the top, and Papa was here and he thought that this bird should have a ribbon in his mouth, so like he's building his nest and he stole a piece of the ribbon. So I actually cut a little slit through there, and so it comes through on the back, but he has a little piece of the fiber in his mouth to help build the nest. And then we have our pretty birds here, and these both have the green painty paper on the back. And then here it just says dream a little dream. I put this little, that was just a little sticker, and I thought it was cute. It's got little birds in the jar there. And then again with a painty paper journaling card there. And our little Bubby doll. And does this one open? I never know which one's open and which ones didn't. So that one does not open. That's just a pocket. Over on this side, this one I believe opens. Yep. So there we go. So there's a journaling spot there. And then we've got this journaling card here. It says always on the back. Some butterfly stencil on there. And then our last page, we have the belly band here with some butterflies. I just went around those with some silver. And then this is just a journaling page. And that just slides in there. And then we just have the little butterflies that we added here just to give that page a little bit of dimension. And we are back to the beginning. So I hope if you make one of these, I hope that you really have fun. I enjoy making them. This is one of Papa's favorite projects. He really likes how they just go and go and go. So, but I had fun making this one, and I hope you enjoy making yours. They're so easy. It's a project you can do start to finish in maybe a couple of days. You could do it in just, you know, a day or something, but the way that I do things, it takes a while. Thank you very much for watching. I really hope that this is a nice distraction for you, and I hope that you all have an outstanding day. Bye-bye.